Don't forget to tune in with Ong Namo Gurudev Namo, and then press play, and let's do this. Alright, bring your hands down to the knees and begin circling your upper body clockwise. Inhale as you're circling forward, exhale as you circle back. Breathing through the nose, your eyes are closed, focused up and in towards your third eye point. And also let your pelvis circle. It's almost like you're grinding around your central column. Also, your belly button is moving around that central column. Your sternum is moving around that central column. Inhale forward, exhale back. And then switch directions. And just begin tuning into your body, tuning into your breath. Beginning to open the awareness to your own experience. Sarab Shakti, Sarab Shakti, Sarab Shakti, Namo Namo. Pritham Bhagvati, Pritham Bhagvati, Pritham Bhagvati. And then come up to center. Inhale, suspend the breath. And exhale. Placing your hands wherever they feel most comfortable. Begin circling your head around the neck. As the head moves up and back, you inhale. And on the exhale, it moves forward and down. Your jaw releases. All the little muscles in your face relax. Eyes closed. And move your head in the other direction. And let your head float up to center. Inhale deeply, and as you suspend your breath on the top, squeeze your rectum, your pelvic floor, your navel up and in. And exhale. Bring your hands on your shoulders for torso twists. Your fingers are in front and your thumbs are in back. On the inhale, you twist left. On the exhale, you twist right. You can start off with just a gentle twist, and then you increase the twist as you move along, as you breathe along. Inhale, twist left. Exhale, twist right. Your head moves with the torso. Keep that going. Powerful breathing. Eyes, they stay closed. Last little bit. Really let those elbows carry you. Let them help you to open up the twist a little bit more. Last little bit. Powerful. And come to center. Inhale, suspend the breath. Hold that root lock at the bottom. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keeping the heart wide open. Exhale, arms release down. Palms facing up on the thighs. Breathe. No moving, no fidgeting. Just pure awareness. Next, you're going to bring the soles of your feet together. And you're going to make you're going to interlace the fingers and you make a little basket. I like to say a little basket where you let your toes lay in that basket and begin gently bouncing your knees up and down, closing the eyes, bringing the mantra of Satnam to your breath. On the inhale, you mentally chant Sat. On the exhale, you mentally chant Nam as your knees gently bounce up and down. Feeling that gentle stretch, inner thighs, the groin area. Then increasing that bounce just a little bit. And on the inhale, gently pushing the knees down, suspending the breath, activating the root lock. And exhale. And transitioning to cat-cow, you stretch out your legs a little bit. You can give them a little shake here. Coming right onto your hands and knees. Fingers are spread. You're pushing your fingers right down there into the mat. Your knees are underneath your hips, so find where your hips are. Your big toe joints, bring them together. They're touching right back there. And on the inhale, you arch the spine down and you just lift the chin just a little bit. Imagine just the crown of your head moving diagonally down and diagonally up. So this is the inhale, and then on the exhale, you tuck the tailbone back there. You round the lower spine, middle spine, top of the spine, and then that's when your crown comes down diagonally. Inhale, arch it down, crown lifts. Exhale, round, crown lowers. And keep that going with a breath through the nose. Taking the pace up a little bit, bringing a bit of energy into the spine, a bit of warmth. Here we go. Taking the pace up a little bit more. And inhale, arch it down, squeeze root lock. Exhale, round it out, squeeze root lock. Push up between shoulder blades and push back, sitting on your heels. Forehead right on the ground, arms stretch them out in front of you. You can spread the knees apart a little bit to make space for your upper body and just let it go, relax. And a deep inhale into your lower back. And on the exhale, slowly rise up. The blood pressure adjusts. And then come back into easy pose.